Okay, John here. All right, so I'm gonna shoot another video for you guys. This is a casement, kind of a storm style window, cranks vertically, not horizontally. And I'm gonna put in your typical XO slider. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna just put in your typical slider. All right, I love this style window, but the screen's on the inside. There's some funky stuff to it, and these fasteners are basically what you'll see on a motorhome. It's on a homeless home, right? This is a mobile home, okay? And this is what you'll see, generally speaking, are these little quarter inch hex bolts, and they'll come right out. All right, now the deal is you're gonna still have the sealant, the weather sealant behind it. So what John will do here, remember, cut so the paint doesn't peel. John loves the truth. Okay, paint doesn't peel. All right, there's always dirty hands on construction like this. You know, this is cute, right? What somebody did. So this is, I'm gonna have to get a little creative on this one because this window I'm putting in is a little bit bigger, I believe. All right, there we go. Stay with me. All right, let's pop these off, right? Okay. Back to the old cookie. Graham crackers and cookies. All right. See all those guys living on the street? They could get a job doing this. Trust me, there's work all over. Heck, they're coming up from the border. Coming from Central America, there's so much construction, right? Alrighty then. Tell the truth, John. We love the truth. Come on, here we go. Stay with me. All right, so let's pop these out real quick. 1/4 inch hex drive. Bosch, okay? 12 volt, 5 amp battery. This thing's a Cadillac. Better yet, it's a Mercedes Benz. Okay, some of them are spinning. Figures. All right. Quite all right. Nothing wrong with spinning, as long as she comes out. Okay. Alrighty then. Yeah, it's a neat little window, but back in the day, conceptually, it had a little bit of dinosaur technology. Okay. All right, let's see here. Let's get a little bit harder to get into because I gotta. Clear this little flange. Okay, that's a little bit tough up here, but I'll get it somehow. Yeah, little lip there, that flange right there is fighting me a little bit, but we'll see if we can't move that a little bit. Yeah. Alrighty then. Okay, you guys, stay with me. See if we can pop this out real quick, okay? Really, it's the same deal here. Gonna have that sealant, okay? Well, look at that, huh? That was some good sealant there, wasn't it? Told you. Dirty hands all over construction. All right, here you go. Boy, wasn't that tough? Sheesh. That's a genius, right? It takes a genius to do that. All right, you guys. I'm gonna size this up. Look, here's the deal. For these people, I made it a little bit bigger, this window. Take your screen out, okay, so you don't foul stuff up. You don't want to contribute to the dirty hands, okay? Take your screen out, all right? There you go. All right, stay with them. Now, on this one, okay, on this specific window here, you can't see me, but you know, everybody knows this. Once you open them all the way, they pop out, right? Right? I got one hand doing this, so bear with me. Okay. Okay, there you go. All right, here's your window. Dirty. Okay, all right. It's a little on the dirty side, but there you go. That's the inside. Now this is not gonna fit, folks, okay? So I'm gonna cut it down, all right? It's gonna fit widthwise, but it's not gonna fit on the height. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this down a little bit because this is the smallest XO window you can get, all right? Yeah, which is like 10 inches, I believe. Can't remember what it came up to be. All right, so there you have it. So stay with me. I'll be right back.